Are you looking for the best plastering trowels in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best plastering trowels that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Ox Pro 16 inches UltraFlex Finishing Trowel. Aussie tool heroes Ox make rough and tough kit for professionals and DIYers alike, and they've been doing it since 1974. They know a thing or two about the best lightweight twin-blade Plasterers trowel. The 16 inches UltraFlex Finishing Trowel is a wonderfully light and easy-to-use tool. Just like the NellaFlex, the stainless steel blade makes use of clever twin-blade technology. The extra plate of ultra-thin steel helps to reduce weight and improve durability while allowing for flexibility where it's needed. You'll recognize the signature bright blue ox handle on this trowel. It's a replaceable blue rubber grip that is ergonomically designed and fits well in the hand. It helps to keep everything well balanced and proves to be comfortable to use for long periods of time. The corners of the trowel have been rounded off to help you avoid gouging wet plaster, which is a nice touch. The only thing I'd improve about this trowel is a factory pre-wear process. It does need a bit of adjustment before it works to its full potential. Up next in the 4th place is the Town MPB 145 GSD 14x5 inches gold stainless steel Plasterers trowel. Founded all the way back in 1890, US brand Town are famous for making the best plastering trowel. Favored by professional plasterers as well as savvy DIYers, the MPB 145 GSD Gold Stainless Steel Plasterers Trowel is an amazing bit of kit. The first thing you'll notice about this trowel is the color. Town have used top-quality tempered gold stainless steel that is built to last. It gives this trowel the ultimate balance of stiffness and flexibility without making it too heavy. The 3rd product on our list is the Refina Plaziflex 16 inches Plastic Skimming Trowel. With more than 35 years of experience, Dorset's own Refina are one of the best skimming trowel brands around. The Refina Plaziflex 16 inches skimming trowel is a lightweight and refined tool that's more versatile thanks to replaceable blades, rather than superfine stainless steel. This skimming trowel uses a 1mm durable plastic blade. It leaves an excellent finish on plaster, and thanks to the Flexiback design, it's rigid along its length but flexible across the blade. Refina proudly claim that this trowel glides across walls and puts less stress on your joints and arms. The large 16 inches blade lets you cover wider areas without having to apply too much pressure. What makes this trowel stand out from the crowd is the replaceable blade system. At the core is one of Refina's mini trowels. You're then free to slot it into any one of Refina's plastic blades that range from 12 inches to 24 inches. Replacing these blades works out cheaper than buying a new trowel every time as well. Second on our list is the NellaFlex 216 Trowel Gold Edition. The NellaFlex 216 Gold Edition trowel is a robust yet lightweight plastering trowel with a super flexible gold stainless steel blade. The NellaFlex trowel is one of the best finishing trowels on the UK market. Nella have made use of dual blade technology to improve the strength and flexibility of the trowel without compromising on blade thickness. At just 0.3mm, it's about as thin as you can get, but it's still strong enough for professional plastering jobs. Nella use a high-performance Bico grip made from cork. It's the ideal compromise between a soft grip and one that gives you ultimate control over the blade. The overall balance of this trowel is what makes it one of the best finishing trowels you can get. Even though the blade hasn't been completely pre-worn at the factory, the corners have been nicely rounded. There's no reason why you won't be able to produce plastered walls or ceilings with this trowel that are as smooth as glass. Finally, the top product on our list is the Spear & Jackson 13 inches Stainless Steel Plastering Trowel. The Spear & Jackson 13 inches Stainless Steel Plastering Trowel is an ideal DIYer's plastering trowel. This is a small plastering trowel that offers a good quality blade at a very reasonable price. It might not have all the features compared with the NellaFlex 2, but it's one of the best budget trowels you can get. With a flexible blade and comfortable soft grip handle, you'll be surprised how well this trowel handles for the price. Spear & Jackson have used thin stainless steel that feels ideal for finishing work but could be used for laying on plaster at a pinch.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.